Hello friends, good morning everyone. Cheers to health, happiness and prosperity in 2022. A very happy new year to all of you. Here in 2022, here I made a fruit. Zero is become a fruit. That is you know very well which fruit is good for us to overcome COVID and Omicron such diseases. That is orange or lemon, whatever you should eat. Hopefully this year also we should continue this fruit to overcome all those diseases. Okay, today topic is water chemistry. Without water there is nothing. So what is water actually? Here I draw a picture. See, for suppose on a hot day a nice cold glass of water is very refreshing. But have you ever wondered what is water? What is water made of? So today the question is about what is water actually. Water is a substance that has amazing properties. Water is a substance. That has amazing properties. Actually, when we introduce this topic to our students in primary level, whatever, because it is a regular substance, without this one we cannot imagine a universe at all. So we have to know basic idea about this topic, amazing properties, and in this lesson we will learn exactly what makes water so wonderful and powerful. Okay, water is a substance that is made up of atoms. Water is a substance that is made up of atoms. So what is an atom? Atoms, the smallest particle of a chemical element. Atom, the smallest particle of a chemical element, which are the basic units of elements and cannot be broken into anything smaller. So that is called an atom. It cannot be broken into anything smaller. The atoms that make up water are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. See, this is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen in this water substance, the atoms. That make up water are how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, which is written as H2O, which is written as H2O. When the atoms combine together, they become a molecule, which is a group of when the atoms combine together. So what are the atoms here? two hydrogen and one oxygen. When the atoms combine together, they become a molecule. They become a molecule, which is a group of atoms connected together. Molecule means a group of atoms. Group of atoms combine together. So first of all, water is made up of two atoms, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So atom is the smallest particle of a chemical element that can exist, and all these atoms combine together, they become a molecule. It is called a molecule. So we can say that what is a molecule? Group of atoms combined together, that is molecule. So here in chemical equation we will say H2O for water. And you know, the shape of the molecule when the hydrogen and oxygen connected together, see, if you observe the shape connected together, it's often referred to as the Mickey Mouse molecule. For H2O, it is often Mickey Mouse molecule, like this one. Here is an hydrogen, here is an hydrogen atom, and this is oxygen, and this one called water molecule. This one called water molecule. So how it look like? Water is, simply we can say, Mickey Mouse molecule. For primary kids, if you will introduce this type of diagrams like Mickey Mouse comparing with this, then they will easily remember the structure of the water. Now come to this point, phases of water. Phases of water. These are the basic points about water we should know, because we are using regularly. Water can exist as one of three phases, that is solid, which is ice, liquid, solid, which is ice, liquid, which is water, and gas, which is water vapor, which you can see in steam or clouds. Okay, so these are the phases of water. Main one is solid, liquid, gaseous. So you can say the phases of water. How many phases of water? There are three phases of water, that is solid, liquid, gas. When water is solid, when we will see the phase of water, solid phase, when water is solid, the H2O molecules are packed closely together. H2O molecules are packed closely. Together. This is the important point. packed closely together and do not move freely. And do not move freely. And can be any shape. And can be any shape. So this is the solid phase. In the solid phase, H2O molecules are packed closely together. This is the first point. And do not move freely and can be any shape. These are the main points. Packed closely together and do not move freely. Next, you can see this phase of the water practically also by using your refrigerator. And next, when water is in liquid, when water is liquid, the molecules are close together, but the difference is they can move freely here in this phase. They can move freely within their container. Within the container. If you see, you will take a glass of water, then the water takes the glass shape and they take shape of their container, and they take shape of their container. This is the liquid phase. Okay. Finally, when water is gas, the next phase is gas. In this phase, molecules are spread apart and move freely. In this gas stage, molecules are spread apart and move freely. About 10. No shape. But this phase also you can see practically. If you watch a pot of water boil, you will see steam rising out of the pot. The steam is a gas. The steam is a gas that is now a part of the air in the house, and the house becomes a container. But since the molecules are spread apart and easily move past each other, and you can walk easily through the steam. So this is the topic, a small introduction about water, which we should know commonly about this topic, water chemistry. It's prepared myself, just basic points for students about what is water actually. So what is water? Once again I recalling is the main method when you introduce any topic. With this method, students will remember all those things what you have said, and they will learn about this one theoretically and practically. with this method. So what is water? Water is a substance first of all, and that has amazing properties. Water is substance. It is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen. That is called in chemical equation H2O. So how this H2O formed? So the reason is two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So atom is the smallest particle of a chemical element. When the atoms combine together, they become a molecule. So by this sentence we should say, what is a molecule? Group of atoms combined together. This is the point. Group of atoms combined together is called a molecule. See, so water shape is H2O. It is Mickey Mouse molecule, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So it is called Mickey Mouse molecule. So finally, phases of water: solid, liquid, gas. In the solid phase, H2O molecules, how they will be? The H2O molecules are packed closely together and do not move freely and can be any shape in solid phase. See, 3 points are here: packed closely together, do not move freely, can be any shape. You can practically see this phase of water by using your refrigerator. Next one, liquid. The molecules are close together. This is the important. They can move freely. Here in solid, they cannot move, do not move freely, and in the liquid phase can move freely within their container, and they take shape of the container. This is always, often we see this phase of water. And next phase is gas. Molecules are spread apart and move freely about and no shape. In this phase, H2O molecules have no shape. So for primary level kids, you should introduce this topic with these basic points. At least basic lines about water they need to know. Thank you. If you like this topic, if you like this explanation, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. I will try to improve the way of explanation further. Okay, thank you.